Hello, for today's video is how to use Google Drive in Android phone. So, first step is open up the app. So, as you can see here, we have here the files that I have. If you press the hamburger button on the left side, you have here the recent offline bin backup settings and help. And you can see that my storage is already full. And on the right side, you can see my profile. You can also add another account and manage your Google account. So you can upload or create files. You can create, edit, and format Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides. So if you press the plus sign, you can upload here, scan Google Docs, Google Sheets, and Google Slides. So here are the home, and then here you see the start. Here are the shared files and the files. You can share files from Google Drive and share folders from Google Drive, or make someone else the owner of a file. So I hope that this video helps. If you have any questions or comments, kindly put it in the comment section below, and if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks!